Okay, so I'm going to my parents now. And I decided that, hey, why not? I'll show you guys what it's like packing a handicap dog into a car. Packing up a handicapped dog into a car, or how to travel with a handicapped dog. Does that help anybody? I don't know. Anyways, this is what I do. I already got it all ready. We got Maverick's bowl, his food. I always bring a lot more food than I ever will really need because you never know. You never know. Towels, bed. Lots of extra towels because I am staying the night, so I would rather him pee on more towels than my parents' carpet, or I'll have to clean it again. And my stuff, the crocheting stuff, an overnight bag, my laptop, and my boots to the outfit I'm gonna wear later tonight after me and my brother are done working out. And then I throw Mavi out here and let him wait. How you doing? He's ready. He knows we're going. Yeah. I'll show you guys how I get him in the car.
You comfy? Look at that nice blanket you got. Spoiled.
Well, we made it. Now to take all the stuff back out of the car. And this is why I sit in the car for so long. Just to process all the more things I've got to do as soon as I stop moving. Just process all the stuff you've got to do next, okay? Just take a breather. It's okay. We're good.